Let's go.
Once upon a time, we share the stories of old. Bring the book to life in a way never told. Let's go for a ride, never let go. Fresh fairy tales, the top of the show.
Hip-hop.
Fresh fairy tales.
Let's go.
Was a pond long girl, Rapunzel was her name. Her long blonde hair was what got her to fame. Is that what it takes to get asked to the ball? And who made it the rule that the boys make this call? Today's the day. Today's the day. I have to dress up in my finest.
You look beautiful, my darling.
All the other boys are gonna ask you to the dance.
But my hair, Mom, do you think it's a bit too much?
Of course not, silly. Your hair is picture perfect.
Fair maiden, come hither and lay down your long hair for me. Lay down your long hair for me. Lay down your long hair for me. Lay down your long hair for me.
Sorry, what was that? I didn't quite get the bit you said about my hair.
Apologies. I must have the wrong house.
Oh, that was weird. He just ran off.
It's probably just nerves, my love. Don't you worry. There'll be plenty more handsome men seeking you out before the day is done.
Wanna bet?
See? What did I tell you?
Sweet lady, sweet girl, lay your hair down for me. Yeah. Sweet lady, sweet girl, could you be the one for me? Yeah. Sweet lady, sweet girl, lay your hair down for me. Yeah. Sweet lady, sweet girl, could you be the one for me? Oh.
Welcome, traveler. You must be tired from your long journey. Would you like to come in for some coconut milk? No, wait. Oh. It's the hair, isn't it? No one's ever gonna ask me to the dance now.
It's not your hair.
Girl, it's your hair.
Silla?
All the other girls in the village are using rock straighteners.
Rock straighteners, what did they do?
What do you think they do? They straighten your hair. There is not a curly head girl in the whole village. In the whole village. In the whole
Oh, that's nonsense. Hair straightening is nothing but a fad.
That all the cool people use. So what you're trying to say is that this is all because my hair is a big fat ball of
Beauty, my love.
more like the beast.
There's absolutely nothing wrong with your hair the way that it is, Bunny.
If you're trying to attract wild animals,
Stella?
Mom, it knocks down the paintings in the hallway, blocks out the sun when she stands in front of me. It's like its own planet. Oh.
Pay her no mind, darling. Big hair, straight hair, no hair. It's what's in your heart that counts.
Sissy, face it. Your hair is Uggs. Trust me. Use the rock straighteners.
Good morning, my darling. Oh, my rusty toenails.
Oh my world, Sissy. Oh my goodness. You almost look beautiful, sis.
But I thought you liked your big hair.
I just don't know if I can take another rejection.
Fair lady, lay down your long hair for me. Fair lady, lay down your long hair for me. Fair lady, lay down your long hair for me.
Hello, stranger from a faraway land.
Actually, I just live down the road. I was wondering would you like to go to the dance with me?
I'm flattered. But why me?
Well, to be honest with you, they told me that you were the only girl in the district who hadn't been asked to the dance.
So what you mean to say is that you've asked all the girls in the village and they turned you down?
Yeah, well, to be honest with you, I come from a poor family, so going to the dance with me wouldn't attract the attention of the paparazzi.
What's your name?
My name is Tor.
Well, Tor, the poor boy who lives down the road, I accept your invitation. Return here before dusk and we shall depart.
Tomorrow then, fair lady.
Yeah, and can you talk properly next time?
Sweet ass, baby girl.
And he's cute too.
So I can go back to my normal look now, eh?
Whoa. Slow down there, sis. Don't be a fiopoko. That same young man is going to expect the same girl with the straight hair when he comes back tomorrow.
But I do actually like my big hair.
Fine. You want him to run away like all the others did? Go right ahead.
Don't listen to her, darling. You look beautiful.
Hi, is Bunny ready for the dance? Maybe we should wait for the rain to clear up for a bit?
I love walking in the rain.
Wait. You can't go out there like that.
Like what?
Without an umbrella to cover your hair. Rain will make your straight hair go back to being bushy again.
Really?
Yes. So if you don't want your date to run off like all the others did, wait for the rain to stop.
Is everything okay?
Toa, do you like straight hair?
I guess it's fashionable.
What if I told you that I'm not the girl you think I am? What if I told you that this has all been a charade?
Okay, I'm a little confused now.
What if I told you that there's much more to me than meets the eye? Much more. What if I told you that this is the real me?
No!
Too much for you, Toa?
No. It's not that.
I don't want anyone who doesn't want me for the real me.
It's not that. Well, you see, I'm bold. I've been hair shamed my whole life, and I've been so embarrassed that I've been hiding under this wig for 3 years. Who would want to go to the dance with me?
I would, Toa.
Really?
Well, lucky for you, I've got enough here for the both of us.